Healthy eating is the cornerstone of a successful fitness journey. The food you consume acts as the fuel that powers your workouts and aids in recovery. Understanding the connection between nutrition and physical performance can help you make informed choices that enhance your fitness goals. In this video, we'll explore the principles of healthy eating, the impact it has on your fitness journey, and practical tips to get you started. To optimize your fitness journey, it's essential to grasp the key concepts of healthy eating. These principles will guide you in making nutritious choices that support your physical activities and overall well-being. Macronutrients, including carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, are the primary nutrients your body needs in large amounts. Each macronutrient plays a unique role in fueling your fitness journey. Micronutrients, such as vitamins and minerals, are essential for various bodily functions, including energy production, immune support, and bone health. Although needed in smaller amounts, they are crucial for maintaining optimal health. Staying hydrated is vital for physical performance and overall health. Dehydration can impair your workout performance and recovery. Nutrient timing involves eating specific nutrients at certain times to maximize workout performance and recovery. For example, consuming carbohydrates and proteins before and after workouts can enhance energy levels and muscle repair. A balanced diet includes a variety of foods from all food groups to ensure you're getting a broad spectrum of nutrients. This diversity helps meet your body's nutritional needs and supports overall health. Embracing healthy eating can have a transformative impact on your fitness journey. Proper nutrition can improve your energy levels, enhance workout performance, aid in recovery, and promote overall well-being. By making informed food choices, you can fuel your body efficiently, reduce the risk of injuries, and achieve your fitness goals more effectively. Healthy eating isn't just about reaching a certain weight or physique. It's about nourishing your body to perform at its best and live a vibrant, active life. To help you incorporate healthy eating into your fitness journey, here are some practical tips and actionable advice. 1. Plan your meals. Planning your meals in advance can help you make healthier choices and avoid reaching for convenience foods. Prepare a weekly meal plan that includes balanced meals and snacks. 2. Focus on whole foods. Choose whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods are nutrient-dense and provide the vitamins and minerals your body needs. 3. Monitor portion sizes. Pay attention to portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use measuring cups or a food scale to ensure you're consuming appropriate amounts of each food group. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after workouts. Consider carrying a water bottle with you to remind yourself to stay hydrated. 5. Avoid sugary drinks. Sugary drinks, such as soda and energy drinks, can add empty calories and lead to weight gain. Opt for water, herbal teas, or natural fruit juices instead. Developing effective techniques and habits is crucial for maintaining a healthy eating regimen. Here are some techniques and habits to incorporate into your routine. 1. Eat mindfully. Pay attention to what and how you eat. Avoid distractions, such as TV or smartphones, during meals. Eating mindfully can help you enjoy your food more and recognize when you're full. 2. Prepare snacks. Having healthy snacks on hand can prevent you from reaching for unhealthy options. Prepare snacks like cut fruits, nuts, yogurt, or whole grain crackers. 3. Cook at home. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes. Experiment with new recipes and cooking methods to make healthy eating enjoyable. 4. Listen to your body. Your body often tells you what it needs. Learn to recognize hunger and fullness cues and respond to them appropriately. Avoid eating out of boredom or stress. 5. Balance your plate. Aim to balance your plate with a variety of food groups. Include a source of protein, healthy fat, and complex carbohydrate in each meal. Here are some simple and effective healthy eating routines to help you get started. 1. Breakfast. 1. Oatmeal. Prepare oatmeal with fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. 2. Smoothies. Blend fruits, vegetables, yogurt, and a scoop of protein powder for a nutritious start. 3. Eggs. Cook scrambled eggs or an omelette with vegetables and a side of whole grain toast. 2. Lunch. 1. Salads. Create salads with leafy greens, lean proteins, nuts, and a light dressing. 2. Wraps. Use whole grain wraps filled with lean meats, vegetables, and hummus. 3. Soups. Prepare homemade vegetable or chicken soups for a comforting meal. 3. Dinner. 1. Grilled chicken. Serve grilled chicken with a side of steamed vegetables and quinoa. 2. Stir-fries. Make stir-fries with lean meats, vegetables, and brown rice or noodles. 3. Fish. Bake or grill fish and pair with roasted vegetables and sweet potatoes. 4. Snacks. 1. Fruits. Keep fresh fruits like apples, bananas, and berries on hand. 2. Nuts. Enjoy a handful of nuts or seeds for a protein-rich snack. 3. Yogurt. Choose plain yogurt and add your own fruits or nuts for flavor. Tracking your progress. Tracking your progress is essential for staying motivated and achieving your healthy eating goals. 1. Keep a food diary. Record what you eat, including portion sizes and meal times. Note how you feel before and after meals. 2. Use nutrition apps. There are many nutrition apps available that can help you track your food intake, set goals, and monitor your progress. 3. Take measurements. Track changes in your body composition by taking measurements of your waist, hips, chest, and other areas. Regularly weigh yourself to monitor changes in your weight. 4. Set milestones. Set specific milestones and reward yourself when you achieve them. This can help keep you motivated and focused on your long-term goals. The importance of rest and recovery. Rest and recovery are vital components of any fitness journey. During rest, your body repairs and rebuilds muscles, making them stronger. Without adequate rest, you risk overtraining and injuries. Here are some tips for effective rest and recovery. 1. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep each night to allow your body to recover and rejuvenate. 2. Take rest days. Incorporate rest days into your weekly routine to give your muscles time to recover. Avoid intense workouts on rest days. 3. Listen to your body. If you feel fatigued or experience pain, take a break and allow your body to recover. Pushing through pain can lead to injuries. 4. Use recovery techniques. Incorporate recovery techniques such as stretching, foam rolling, and massage into your routine to enhance recovery and reduce muscle soreness. Building a support system. Building a support system can help you stay motivated and accountable on your fitness journey. Here are some ways to build a support system. 1. Join a fitness community. Join a fitness community where you can connect with others who share similar fitness goals. These communities can provide support, motivation, and valuable tips. 2. Work with a nutritionist. Consider working with a nutritionist who can provide personalized guidance and support to help you achieve your healthy eating goals. 3. Engage with online resources. Engage with online resources, such as blogs, forums, and social media groups, where you can find information, inspiration, and support. 4. Share your journey. Share your fitness journey with friends and family. Their encouragement and support can help keep you motivated and accountable. Overcoming common challenges. As a beginner, you may encounter some common challenges on your fitness journey. Here are some tips for overcoming these challenges. 1. Cravings. If you're struggling with cravings, try to identify the root cause. Are you truly hungry, or are you eating out of boredom or stress? Opt for healthier alternatives to satisfy your cravings. 2. Time constraints. If you're short on time, try meal prepping on weekends to save time during the week. Prepare large batches of healthy meals that you can easily reheat. 3. Social situations. Navigating social situations can be challenging when trying to eat healthy. Plan ahead by checking menus in advance, bringing your own healthy dish, or eating a small meal before attending events. 4. Plateaus. If you hit a plateau, try changing up your meals or increasing your physical activity. Incorporating new foods and recipes can help reignite your progress. Quick actionable cheat sheet. Plan your meals in advance. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Monitor portion sizes to avoid overeating. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Avoid sugary drinks and opt for water, herbal teas, or natural fruit juices. Eat mindfully and pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. Prepare healthy snacks to prevent unhealthy choices. Cook at home to control ingredients and portion sizes. Balance your plate with a variety of food groups. Get enough rest and incorporate recovery techniques. Healthy eating is an integral part of a successful fitness journey. By understanding the principles of nutrition and making informed choices, you can fuel your body efficiently and achieve your fitness goals. Remember, it's not just about reaching a certain weight or physique. It's about nourishing your body to perform at its best and live a vibrant, active life. Start implementing these healthy eating tips today and enjoy the benefits of a well-fueled fitness journey. Please leave a comment below. For more help, guidance, and support, check the description below. Thank you for watching, and take care of your health. Subscribe to our channel today so you can continue on with your self-improvement journey.